Question 25. 25 to me is more of a word question here, and we're going to kind of read it here. The store is offering a discount of $5 on a minimum purchase of 25. We're going to have to pay attention to that idea. A customer purchases X identical coffee mugs that are $9 each. The customer writes the equation as Y equals 9 times X minus 25. Okay, to find the net amount Y in money to be paid to him. Which of these statements is true? Okay, so if I come back up here, the first thing I'm saying, the coffee mugs cost 9. I like how the X is with the 9. That 25, though, it says a minimum purchase of 25. Does that mean they're going to take $25 off the bill? Or what was the discount? So when I read that, I'm thinking about that piece before I've even looked at these statements. And I'm not always going to catch it, but that's it. So as I look at these statements, I'm going to say the equation is incorrect because 25 should be replaced by 5. Well, that was that thing I caught up there. So I'm thinking that's the answer, but I haven't read everything, so I want to double check. You don't just take the first thing, just make sure you're right, and it's a double check method. The equation is incorrect because the negative should be replaced with the positive. No, I don't think they're gonna give you money, pay you for that, and then you're having a little bit of money come off. They're not making you pay an extra $25. I'm noticing a theme here. Hold on. I'm seeing this word incorrect, incorrect, and then as I go down, another incorrect, but then we have two corrects. So let me double check that as I'm going. The equation is incorrect again because the 9x and the 25 should be interchanged. I don't like that either. We're paying $9 per cup. We're not paying $25 per cup. So to me, this is a no, and I think that was a no. The equation is correct because the discount used by the customer on his purchase is 25. I don't think it is correct though. I think the discount was only $5. So to me, that's a mess up. The equation is correct because 9x represents the number of coffee mugs purchased by the customer. I do think that statement right here is correct, but it's not a complete equation because that number on the back, I think, should have been the 5. So I do believe A is our correct answer. Keep up the hard work and studying and preparing for this test. Do your personal best. Spend extra time watching content or going through practice questions. The more questions that you work through, the more comfortable you'll be the day of the test. Thank you for watching.